In a world where steel clashes, engines roar, and power knows no limits, these industrial giants don't just work. They crush, devour, and redefine the meaning of power. Get ready to witness the most powerful mechanical beasts on Earth. A John Deere heavy-duty crawler excavator shows off its raw power. Using nothing but its massive weight, it crushes a 1992 Toyota in seconds. Under those cold steel tracks, the car's body crumples and twists, turning into a heap of scrap metal. The scene captures the overwhelming power of this engineering beast, as the entire car survives only a few seconds under its crushing force. A spectacular, thrilling, and totally convincing destruction. Just look at its feed opening, nearly 1 meter wide enough for massive tree trunks to slide right through, while smaller chippers can only watch in awe. With 750 horsepower driving those razor-sharp blades, this beast devours tree trunks as thick as utility poles, processing up to 380 tons of wood in just 10 hours. Its power and efficiency make the whole process lightning fast. Truly a steel monster ruling today's wood chipping industry. It's no surprise that the VZ950DK ranks among the largest shredders in the world. Once it roars to life, it's like a giant steel beast, effortlessly crushing entire cars within seconds. It uses a special T-shaped cutting blade design, saving around 15% of energy while maintaining insane power. If materials get jammed, the system automatically reverses, keeping the operation smooth and unstoppable. With 770 horsepower under its armored frame, it may be slower than hammer mills, but it shreds with surgical precision. Almost nothing can stand in its way. The Raptor TCS200 is a powerful industrial shredder, packing 200 horsepower beneath its heavy steel frame. Its drive system keeps running even when the shaft jams, a crucial feature when tackling massive, oversized tires. This design ensures steady performance and minimal downtime throughout the shredding process. At a top self-service junkyard in the U.S., people can dismantle parts themselves, like seat motors, alternators, and other components, then buy them back at a fraction of the price. All liquids are drained to protect the environment, while metal materials are collected for recycling. And check this out. This machine strips electrical wires with stunning ease, turning what seems like a tough, messy job into a quick and effortless task. The HP 1100 press harnesses tremendous force to crush dense steel beams into compact, recyclable blocks. It's a perfect fusion of raw power and refined precision, showcasing the cutting-edge engineering of modern industry. As a result, material recovery becomes sustainable, efficient, and absolutely spectacular. This industrial disc saw is built for endurance, engineered to handle massive volumes of wood with ease. Powered by a 1,150 horsepower Duramax engine, it combines brutal crushing force with impressive flexibility. The machine can grind several tons of wood, preventing decay and material waste with remarkable efficiency. Despite its power, it operates smoothly and steadily from start to finish, as every log is crushed and shredded cleanly, like a true steel monster at work. Have you ever wondered how a car can be crushed into a perfect metal cube? Meet the Bromberg RR5, the ultimate answer. It's powered by a 145 horsepower Perkins diesel engine, paired with a hydraulic system generating 200 tons of pressing force and 185 tons of final compression power. In less than 60 seconds, vehicles of all sizes are compressed into uniform, solid metal cubes. It's the perfect blend of power, speed, and precision, all happening within a single press cycle. It looks powerful and fearless, but the man here is taking a serious risk, working without any safety guard. That spinning drum has enough force to tear through a hand in seconds. Let's hope he installs a safety shield before testing it on even bigger logs.
Įsivaizduoju, kas būtų buvę, jeigu jis būtų užges. Nu, tai bėgė užges.
Watching the QZ1700 in action, you can see its ability to process massive volumes of wood efficiently and continuously, without interruption. The machine demonstrates exceptional performance, leaving viewers amazed by the scale and the cutting-edge recycling technology behind it. All eyes are on the Duramax 2002 Beast, a massively upgraded build fitted with 54-inch bogger tires and military-grade axles. With insane torque output, it truly transforms into a real mechanical monster. The Lion Shredder Evo demonstrates jaw-dropping power as it devours an entire motorcycle in just a few seconds. The bike's frame is shredded in tiny fragments, proving this industrial beast's ability to eat steel and chew iron. Watching the Lion Shredder Evo crush a bowling ball and plastic bottles, you can see it pulverize any hard object instantly, turning everything into scrap in the blink of an eye. It's a sight that's both mesmerizing and thrilling, leaving you in awe of its sheer destructive force. The 6 CEO mobile press can compact massive amounts of recyclable waste, compressing it into dense, uniform bales. Its performance reaches up to 100 tons per day, an impressive feat for such a compact frame design. Inside, a high-powered hydraulic system works with advanced sensors to maximize efficiency. It's truly a powerful and efficient solution, ideal for large-scale recycling operations. Roto RS scrap cutter is built for durability and designed to handle massive volumes of material over long hours. It combines precise cutting performance with a high-strength frame, ensuring smooth and stable operation. Its mechanism is optimized to minimize downtime, keeping the workflow efficient and consistent. That's why the Roto RS stands out as an ideal solution for high-demand recycling applications. Every gearhead needs to witness this scene. A Peugeot B06, fitted with a custom exhaust, goes full throttle, making the engine scream at its limit. From another angle, a Volvo 240 with special welded mods is put to the same brutal test. Together, they deliver a tense and thrilling showdown, leaving everyone wondering, which engine will survive the longest before giving up? The Rotochopper 75DK, a steel monster in the scrapyard, carrying the fury of 1,000 spinning blades. It devours everything in its path, from wood and metal to the toughest debris, turning it all into dust and fragments under its relentless, brutal power. Tireless and unstoppable, the Rotochopper 75DK roars day and night, a machine born to consume the chaos of the world itself. If you love the insane energy of engineering and technology, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because this is only the beginning of the world's mightiest machines.